Yes, good afternoon. It looks like we cracked the code. Very simple. Just by following what they're giving you. This is what I tell everybody. Keep track of the results in your state and you'll be on your way. It's that simple. Winner, winner, chicken, dinner. Yes, always remember that. Cracking the code. This is for entertainment purposes only. Yes, always remember that. Cracking the code is following what they're giving you in your state. It's that simple. Yes, everybody here on the live, always remember that when you're doing this, follow what they're giving you in your state. You be on your way. You be on your way, I'm telling you. Just follow what they're giving you. Yo, Dennis, Nicole, how are you? Yesterday was fantastic. Yes, for New York, the 1, 2, 3. Yesterday was the 6. They gave us the 6 yesterday, the 1, 2, 3. Yes, how are you? Yes, today is the 7. Yeah, so everybody just remember, just follow what they're giving you. Yesterday was the 1. So what's the mirror to the 1? The 6. And what they gave you in New York yesterday? The 1, 2, 3. What is that? The 6. Yes, how are you? Mary, how are you? North Carolina in the house. Yo, let's do it. Steve, how you doing? How are you? I'm hoping everybody's doing, because I do it every day, every morning. I look at the results, not only my state, I'm looking at every state. I go over 30 states every morning. I'm hoping everybody's tracking it. Yes, that's going to give you the edge over the next person that's doing this. Yes, always remember that. Arthur, how you doing? This is what I tell everybody. In your state, you got to see if they using this in your state. So I'm going to show you a state they using it every other day. So how I know that? By looking at the results. So it's probably happening in your state, but you're not looking at the results. Yes, I'm going to write down 2 numbers so you can look at it for yourself. And it's working, not in New York, it's working in this state here. And I'm going to show you. Look, very simple. This came out in the daytime. Yes, and this came out in the nighttime. Yes, this was Saturday. This was Saturday now. You got to follow it. So what are the key numbers there? What numbers are the key numbers? Brooklyn, how you doing? No, you can't use the 0. It's only the 1 or the 6. So what's the key number here? So the key number is the 6 and the 6. So what numbers we gonna look for? What are the sums? What's the sum for this number? So you're gonna turn that 6 into what? To the 1, no? You're gonna turn this 6 into the 1. Now what numbers we got here? Yes, simple, look. 12, 1, 2, and 1, 4. I hope everybody sees that. Look how simple is that. Anybody could do this. You could do it too. Simple. Look. Now you're going here. 1, 0. It's the same number. 1, 0 is the 1, 5. The 5 is the same number. So you only got to just put the 10. So now, in this state here, you would have played it the next day on Sunday in the daytime. So this was daytime, and this was the nighttime. So it depends on what they doing in your state. In this state here, they going every other day. So this was Saturday. So everyone that lives in this state played the 12 and the 14 on Sunday. Nothing. Nothing on Sunday. So you can look at it. This is Pennsylvania. You could go look at it. Pennsylvania. Anybody here from Pennsylvania, so you can see it for yourself. So this was Saturday in the daytime. So the next day, you probably played the 12s and the 14. Nothing on Sunday. Let's look at it for Monday now. Let's look Monday now. What came out Monday? What was yesterday? What was the day number yesterday in Pennsylvania? Yes. What was the day number? So it skipped Sunday, so it's going in your state. How I know that is by looking at the results on what they doing. So what was the day number yesterday in Pennsylvania? So you want to learn how to do it? You got to follow what they doing in the state. Yes. So follow it. What was the day number? So you can see it. You want to learn it? I'm trying to show you. Yes. What was the day number? What was the day number for Pennsylvania? No one knows it? You got to put in the work. How you expect to learn it if you're not putting in the work? You ask yourself, why I'm not learning this? Are you putting in the work? No. So I'm asking everybody, yes, I'm asking everybody, what was the number? So what was the number? What was the day number yesterday, Monday in Pennsylvania? What was the midday number? Yes, Pennsylvania midday number, yes. You want to learn how to do it? I'm showing you. Tony, thank you. This was Saturday, so they gave us yesterday in the midday, they gave us 2, 3, 9. So we're going day with day. So what does this what this number sums up to? What's the sum to this number? What does this number add up to? So we're going from Saturday, they skipped Sunday, yes. There you go. There you go, 14. So if that number is 14, was that one of the numbers? Was that one of the numbers? From the 264 that came out Saturday, I explained to you what you have to do. So the sums were 12 and 14. They didn't give it to you on Sunday. They gave it to you Monday. So this number that came out yesterday adds up to the 14. So is that one of the numbers that I told you? Simple stuff. Look how simple was that. How simple was that? Was that difficult? Just by following what they're giving you? So the sum to this number is 14. So now let's come over here. Let's do the same thing here. So yes, they skipping. So on Saturday, they gave you 065. So what you doing? You're mirroring in the 6 and keeping the 1. So we're looking for a sum in the nighttime for Pennsylvania. What came out yesterday at night in Pennsylvania? Yes, just look at it. So who could tell me? So 460 came out yesterday in Pennsylvania. What's the sum to that number? Yes. What's the sum to that number? Simple. So was that the number that we were looking for? Was that the number we were looking for? Yes. Look how simple was that. So it's up to you. Whoever's serious about this, you want to learn it, or you just want to fool around. You know, me, I don't fool around. When something is something that you can actually have an opportunity to learn it, pay attention. Definite. How you doing? Anna, how are you? So I just showed you here on the live. This live is going to go up as a video. So I'm hoping whoever got any kind of information with it, I just showed them. The key here is following what they're giving you in your state. That's the big key here. And I told you the key number is the 1. Yes. So it's that simple. So I just showed you. The day number was 264 on Saturday. So we were looking for a sum of 12 and 14. On Sunday, they didn't give us the number. Monday, yesterday, they gave us the 239. The sum to that number is 14. So we were spot on that one. Sunday, yes, Sunday in the daytime. No, excuse me, Saturday in the daytime, they gave us 065. So what did I tell you to do? Mirror the 6, and we're keeping the 1. So you're going 1 0. 1 0 and 1 5. That's the same exact number. So what we were looking for. Sunday, they didn't give us the winning number. Monday, last night, they gave us the 460. That is the sum. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say, guys. That's all I got to say. If anybody feels they learned something without just showing them, can you actually tell me on the live? Did anybody, yes, did you learn anything what I just showed you? Yes, anybody here on the live, did you feel that you saw this somewhere else? Yes. Or you saw it here first from the Lotto King? Yo, Sal, how you doing? Yes, how you doing? Yes, Richard. Yes, everybody knows. I don't have to prove nothing. Everybody knows it makes sense. I know it makes sense. I'm showing you here on the live. These results are not made up. You could go look at them for yourself. Go to Pennsylvania and look at it for yourself. That's all I can tell you. That's all I can tell you, guys. It's that simple. The Lotto King is going to continue. The Lotto King is on Instagram. He's on Facebook. And he's on TikTok. I go live in other platforms. I come here to show you, if you feel it's no value what I'm showing you, you already know what you got to do. But if you know that I'm actually giving you some type of value, you know what you got to do. Invest in yourself to learn it. Yes. So you ask yourself, do you want to waste your time or do you want to learn it? That's what you got to ask yourself. We're going into a new year. Do you want to waste your time or you want to learn it? You ask yourself. Ask yourself straight up. It's not even about me anymore. It's about you. You ask yourself, do you want to learn it or not? Straight up. Yes. Look, this is what I'm going to do now. Look. So you can see it. I'm always showing everybody so you can see it. Very simple. It's just by following what they're giving you in your state. That's it. It's that simple. I'm not going to make it complicated. Very short and simple. Yes. So what I'm going to do here on the live, so you can see it, how it goes. I'm going to do one state. Give me 3. Yes. Give me the last 3 numbers in your state, and I'm going to do it here live. So this is why I come on the lives. I come on the lives to show people what you can actually learn. And I tell people, invest in yourself. Book a one-on-one with me. Some people don't want to do it. So that's That shows me that you're not really serious about this. Because the ones that are serious about this will want to learn it. They will invest in themselves. You're investing in yourself to learn it so you could do better doing this. You understand how it goes? Yes. So this is what I teach on the one-on-ones. Rundown, mirror numbers, date sum, hit sum, root sum, location, and patterns. How do I teach you the tricks to this? The tricks and the techniques to this? On a one-on-one. I'm available on Friday. Everything else is booked. So it's that simple. If you want to book, I'm available Friday, 3 o'clock and 4:15. Email me. Let's make it happen. Yes. Straight up. Let's make it happen. It's up to you. If you want to waste your time, you're only wasting your time. I'm not wasting my time. I come on these lives to show you what I know. So it's your decision to take it and take it to the next step or stay stuck and not do nothing about it. So it's up to you. So if you want to take it to the next step for the new year, book that one-on-one. Get involved. You're investing in yourself. Think about it. You're investing in yourself to learn how to do this the correct way. Book that one-on-one. Straight up. It's up to you. It's your decision. Yes, I tell everybody straight up. If you want to learn it, that's what you need to do. That's why I come on these lives. I come on the lives to show you what I know. And how you will learn it is by booking that one-on-one, investing in yourself. So you got to ask yourself, are you worth investing in yourself to learn this? That's all I can tell you. So if you want me to do your state on Fridays, yes, whoever actually takes the weekly grit from me, yes, whoever takes the weekly grit starting on Fridays, yes, I would like anyone that already took, yes, everyone here, everyone that took the grit already, if you want the grit on Fridays, that's when I'm going to start doing it. So, because on Saturday, I'm overwhelmed doing all the grits for every state. So on Fridays, whoever wants the grit, it starts Saturday, please make the payment on Friday. Yes. It's that simple. So if you want me to do your state, 95% of the winning numbers are going to be touching the corner pairs. It's up to you. It's up to you. People are winning straight up. It's your choice. If you want to continue doing it your way, let's see how far you go. That's all I can tell you. Yes, simple as that. Yesterday in New York, the Lotto King hit the 123 in the daytime and hit the 195 in the nighttime. So you think about it. Is it luck or is technique? That's all I can tell you. Yes, so if you want it, here's the email. If you're really serious about this, if you want to book the one-on-one, if you're not ready to book the one-on-one, you want the weekly grit, I give you all the details. Email me. Simple as that. Simple as that. I'm speaking clear to you. So it's a simple yes or no. So you ask yourself, you want to bring in the new year with the same, not knowing how to do this, or you want to learn it? You want to start the year new, knowing how to do this the correct way? Yes. So it's your choice, because whoever bypasses what I'm saying, you're only just wasting your time. You're only wasting your time because you're not doing it right. Yes, a lot of people, they try to do it on their own and they always come and tell me, I should have booked you sooner. I'm just throwing money away every time when I'm playing. Because why? You don't know what you're doing. You just don't know what you're doing. You're just playing your license plate, your dog's birthday, you're playing your anniversary. That's not the correct way to play. I teach people how to play the correct way. Technique, strategy, different methods. I teach you the right way to do this. Yes. So if you want it, email me. Let's make it happen. All the information is there. Email me. This live here is going to go up as a video. It's going to go up as a video and you can go look at it. So if you need my email, watch this video when it goes up on the live and you get all the information. That's the only way I'm going to contact you, through email. Yes. This is what I tell people. It's up to you. If you want to continue 2026 going in circles, no, I got it. I know what I'm doing. It's up to you. Go right to the source, to the person that knows how to do this. I'm telling you what you need to do. But you know what people do? No, I'm gonna do it my way. I'm gonna play my way. I'm gonna play my dog's birthday. I'm gonna play my anniversary. You just don't know what you're doing. You're just open up your window and just throw your money out the window if you're playing like that. Yes. Yes. So again, I'm not trying to put anyone down. I'm just telling you the reality of this. If you want to learn it, there's no cutting corners. Oh, I'm going to try to learn it on my own. You're not going to learn it on your own. You're not. Straight up. You have to, it starts with keeping track of the results. That's the first step. And a lot of people don't do it. How do you expect to learn something if you're not getting involved? Ask yourself. I don't know why I'm not winning. I don't know why. So ask yourself, are you involved? Are you involved? Ask yourself. No. So that's the reason why you're still going in circles. You're going in circles. Why? You haven't booked a one-on-one. You haven't joined my group. You haven't actually did a weekly grid. You're going in circles. Invest and you will learn it. I promise you, you will learn it. Simple as that. So there's no cutting corners. Oh, I'm going to try to do it myself. I'm going to try to do it myself. Let's see how far you get with that. You're going to be playing. So imagine just doing it, just playing your license plate, your anniversary. How far are you going to go with that? How far? If I give you the winning number today, say I give you the winning number today, what's that gonna, like say I stop doing this tomorrow. I give you the winning number today and you win, and I stop doing this tomorrow. What happens to you now? If I stop doing this? You got the winning number, you won big today, but if I stop doing it tomorrow, what happens to you now? Yes. Yes. Please like the video. I appreciate it. So ask yourself, this is what I tell people. I could give you the winning number today and everybody wins. If I stop doing this tomorrow, what happens to you now? Did you learn it? Damn, I should have learned it. I should have learned it from him. I had an opportunity to learn it from him. Now he stopped doing this. Yes, this is what I tell people. Straight up. Straight up. So whoever wants me, look, I'm going to just show you. By me just showing you this, I'm just giving you a piece of it. Why not know the whole thing? Where I reveal everything? On that one-on-one. So you ask yourself, are you ready to learn it the correct way? Or you just want a piece of it? I'm going to give you a piece of it. I don't reveal the secret here on the live. I reveal the secrets on the one-on-ones. So you invest in yourself, you got the secret. If you don't invest in yourself, you're not going to know the secret. How you doing? Sarah? Marcus? Yes, definite. So everyone, whoever wants me to do their state, I'm not going to do New York, Anna. I'm always doing New York. I'm going to do a different state. Yes. So whoever wants me to do their state, I'm going to do it here live. Yes. Whoever wants that, yes. So anyone that wants me to do the state, so that shows me everything. You want me to do your state, you don't even have the results written down. Does that make any sense? That shows me everything about you. You don't have the results written down. You're going to go to Google right now and try to look for the results. If you're really serious about this, you'll have your notebook and you'll have all your results written down. Yes. Straight up. If you were serious about this, you will have your results right now. Lotto King, do my state. Here, I got the results. You don't have them. You got to go to Google right now to look at the results. That shows you you're not serious about this. Yes. So look, I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it here. Today is Tuesday, so I need Monday. Look, I'm gonna say it once. Let's see if you can figure it out. Because I know nobody's writing it down. So that's why. So you ask yourself, I don't know why I'm not winning. I don't know why. You answer your own question. That's why you're not winning. Because you're not following what I'm telling you to do. Yes. So this is all daytime. I need daytime. We're not playing nighttime. This is the daytime. I need the day number for Saturday, day number for Sunday, and day number for Monday. Yes. Simple as that. I'm not talking French. I'm speaking English. Yes. What state is this? Yes. I'm not speaking, I'm speaking English. Yes. Saturday, 351. What state is this? 351, 494, 144. I don't know the state. Connecticut. So Connecticut had 211, 042. Yes. Let's do it. I'm going to show you how it's done. Yes. I'm going to show you how it's done just by following the numbers. So Monday in Connecticut had 211. Yes. So Connecticut, I'm going to do your state. Get involved. Yes, get involved. If I'm going to do your state, get involved, meaning I'm going to ask you a question. Respond to the question. Because if you don't respond, you're showing me you want me to do your state, but you're not engaging on the live. Engage on the live. Yes. So look, 211. Sunday is 042. Yes. And Saturday was 261. So this is Connecticut. Connecticut, is this correct? Connecticut, are you there? You want me to do your state? Please appear. Please appear on the live. Yes. So Connecticut, so do you see anything here, Connecticut? You don't see anything in the last three numbers that came out. You don't see anything that looks the same. You don't see anything. Yes. What do you see? You don't see anything that looks similar, the same? Nobody sees nothing. That's why I tell people, you think you know what you're doing with this, you don't know. Is this number here is not the same number, the 261 and the 211? It's not the same number? No? It's not the same number? So ask yourself. So if this number here, so this grid here, I could just tell you is the 6 grid just by looking at the numbers. Why? They gave you the 6 here. What this number adds up to? What's this number? 042. What does that number add up to? Yes. The 6. So this is the 6 grid. So look at it. So I guarantee you, I'm going to pull up the grid. I guarantee you that number is going to be attached to the 042. What do you think? You think it's going to be attached or it's not going to be attached? Yes. So if they gave you 261 and 261, the 211 to 261. So what's the possibility for today? What is the question? That's the big question today. What is the winner number for today? If they gave you the 6 the last 3 times, what is the winning number for today? Look at it. I just want you to look at it. You tell me what is the winning number for today, and I'm going to show you. Just by looking at it, I'm going to tell you. Look, just by writing these 3 numbers, and I'm going to show you here quickly. Look, but the numbers got to be attached. Look, 306. So remember, this is the 6th grid. Remember, this is the 6th grid. See, the 420 is the 6, the 261 is the 6, 211 is the 6, so it's the 6th grid. This is the neutral number. So if you divide the 6 and, yes, if you divide the 6 into 2, yes, it's the 3, no? Yes. 2 times 3 is what? So you can see it. I'm just trying to show you. 2 times 3 is what? So that's the 6. The neutral number is always in the middle. Who knows the neutral number? The 0 and the 5, no? So look at it. I want to show you it. So this is how you're going to learn it. You want to learn it? I'm showing you. So now this is a pick 3. So if it's a pick 3, I got to go down 1, 2, 3. If I go down 3 lines, if that number is not in the grid, we're not on to nothing. Okay? If I go down, this is 1, I got to go 2 and 3. So I'm going to go down. If none of these numbers are here, we're not on to anything. Deal? Let's do it. 4 comes after 3 and 5. What comes after the 0? 1. 2. What comes after 6? 7 and 8. Now look at it. I want you to look at it. You look at it. I want you to look at it. Is that a lot of numbers that I gave you right there? I want you to look at the results and compare it with the grid. You tell me. You see how I made it easy? How do you think I made it easy? By knowing with the results that this is the 6th grid. So what I do, I have all the grids. On a book, I have all the grids. That's something that I have. And this is what I tell people. You want to learn it? I got the information. You want to learn it? I guarantee you I got the information. So I'm just trying to show you how the numbers are always attached. Do you see the 261 there? Look, I'm going to highlight it so you can see it. So you can learn it. So just remember, when you're playing this, remember, it's not what you want. It's not what I want. It's a pattern. So this is the way it goes. The 261 brings the 420. That's the way it goes. That's the way the cookie crumbles. That's the way it goes. You cannot play what you want. I can't play what I want. You're playing what the pattern and what the grid is giving you. Yes. So whoever wants to know it, you want to know it, you gotta get involved and invest in yourself. You want to know? Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. If you could read between the lines, invest in yourself. Just like how I invested in myself to learn this, invest in yourself to learn it. Yes, Francis, how you doing? So look, you got the 261. Look. So it's up to you. It's up to you. You don't want to learn it? You go right ahead. And let's see how you do for today. How would you pick the winning number for today? How would you do it today? How would you do it today? So you got the 261. How would you come up with the winning number for today? Yes. Tell me. We're just conversating here on the live. How would you come up with that winning number for today? How would you do it? So make believe I didn't show you this. Now, how would you do it? How would you do it? How would you do it? Lead with the 6. Okay, what else? What you gonna do? Forget about everything that I talk about. Do it your way. Don't do it the way that yes, do it your way. How would you come up with it? Make believe I didn't exist. How would you do it? Look for the sum of 12. Are you sure about that? How are you so sure about that? Yes, tell me. How are you so sure about that? If you didn't have the grid, tell me how would you do it? Make believe I'm not here. You're doing it yourself. Get. How many numbers you got to choose to get the winning number today? How many numbers you got to choose? Okay, Bill. Yes, this is what I tell everybody. So make believe everything that I discuss on these lives every day. Make believe everything that I say to everybody does not exist. So imagine I was not around. I won't have this channel. How would you come up with the winning number? You would get it from a dream book? How you would get it? From a license plate number? How you would get it? From your anniversary, your birthday, your locker room number. How would you get the winning number? Using the 317. So how would you do it? Show me. I want to know. Because you know what it is? People sometimes think they know what they're doing. They don't have a clue on what they're doing. How you do it? So if you won, congratulations. Whatever technique you're using, if you feel that is the correct way on what you're doing, I can't stop you. I can't stop you. Just know, I've been doing this for 7 years on YouTube, yes, on Facebook, Instagram, on all the platforms, and you can read what people say about me. Do you know what it is? I don't like to mislead nobody. I tell you how it is. Do you want me to just mislead you? Oh, you're doing great. You're doing it right. Or you rather me be straight up with you? Yes. You could go on to all those rundowns. You don't know if you're doing it from day to day, night with night. You don't even know the root sum of the number. Do you know? Do you know all those techniques? Do you know all that? I just want to hear. So this is how you're going to learn it. You got to ask yourself. The reason why I'm asking everybody, you got to ask yourself. If I play 10 times a week, 10 times, how many times are you winning out of 10 times? Yes, ask yourself. Out of 10 times you're playing, how many times you're winning? Nathan, how you doing? So you got to ask yourself. Yes, if you're playing 10 times, you're winning 10 out of 10? That's fantastic. That's amazing. Yes, ask yourself, Keep it real. Keep it real. I keep it real. The Lotto King, me, I don't win every day. But I know how to bounce back and do it the correct way. You understand? See the difference? I'm not coming on this live and telling everybody, yes, out of 10 times, I'm winning 10 times. No. Out of 10 times, there's a percentage that you have to know how to win. So if you're winning 6 out of 10 times, you're making profit. How are you? Fee, how you doing? So just remember, not even me, I do this every day, and I don't win 10 out of 10. Nobody wins 10 out of 10. They lying to you. So I'm straight up. I could teach you a way, my technique, I could show you. And you could go on TikTok, you could go on Instagram and look at the winning post. Yes, talk is cheap. You know, you could say you're winning. That's why I actually have the proof is in the pudding. That's why I post my winnings. So go on TikTok, go on Instagram, and go look. This is what I tell people. Yes. So this is what I tell everybody. The way you learn it is by investing in yourself. If you don't invest in yourself, how you expect to learn it? Ask yourself. You know, sometimes even the Lotto King, I humble myself. You got to humble yourself and say, enough is enough. I'm already tired of losing. Every time I'm playing, I'm choosing like 50 numbers and still losing. So you got to ask yourself, do you want to continue 2026 like that? You got to ask yourself. Yo, Nathan, how are you? You got to ask yourself, do you want to continue 2026 like that? Or you going to make that change? Make that change. I guarantee you, you're going to come back on my life and say, I'm glad I invested in myself. I'm glad I did it. So that's great. So if you want every other draw, so you don't need this. You don't need the book the 101. You don't need it. So if you feel that you're doing great, this is for people. So if you feel that you got it all together, go right ahead. But this is for people that don't got it all together. They think they know what they're doing. I'm here to help you. I'm your cane. I'm your kickstand. I'm going to show you the right way to do this. Yes. So you already did that. Yes, definite. So you got to ask yourself. It's not up to me. It's up to you. So I showed everybody. So look, for your state for today, I just showed you. This is the 6th grid. So now, how you come up with the 7th grid? So if that's the 6th grid, how you come up with the 7th grid today? Show me. So who knows it? So you say you know how to do it, so show me. How I'm going to write down the numbers. Tell me the 7th grid for today. Yes. Anyone here on the live, you said you already know how to do it. Show me the 7th grid. I'm going to let you lead the live. I'm going to let you lead it. You tell me. You tell me what number to write down, and I'm going to put it here on the live. So we're going to go, and what state we doing, first of all? I'm going to let you lead. Yes. I'm going to let you lead. You tell me the state, and yes, and I'm going to lead. Yes. Yes. Tell me the 7th grid. Yesterday, I showed you the 6th. That was the 6th grid. Show me the 7th grid. Show me. It's simple. You said it's simple. Go tell me. But you got to show me by the results of your state. You got to tell me what state we're going to play today. You got to tell me what's the results. It got to make sense. Please make sense to me for me to play. So I want to hear it from you. Tell me. So the Lotto King, see, I'm a humble person. I want to hear it from you. The Lotto King doesn't know everything. I want to hear it from you. Tell me. What should we do? I want the whole live to listen to you. So who feels they got this all together? Nah, it's simple, Lotto King. I can do this. It's simple. So show me then. Whatever you tell me, I'm going to write it here so the whole live can see it. Yes. So this is what I try to tell people. This is what I try to tell people. It looks simple. How do you think it becomes simple? How do you think to me, it becomes simple? Practicing. If you practice something every day, what do you think is going to happen? Forget about me. Ask yourself. If you're practicing the same thing every day, what's going to happen to you? Ask yourself. Forget about the Lotto King. Ask yourself. Make believe I'm not here. If you practice this every day, anything in life, if you practice, what do you think? Is it going to get harder for you or is it going to get easier for you? Ask yourself. Yes, if you're doing something every day, the same thing every day, not only numbers, anything in life, anything you put your time to, what do you think is going to happen? Nathan, thank you. So you ask yourself. Yes. You're going to be doing it. Yes. You're going to start seeing it like a map in your brain. Yes. And you're right. You are. Because why? You do it every day. Of course you're going to be good at it. It's like somebody that doesn't know how to play basketball. If you're practicing every day, you're going to get good at it. Of course. You don't know how to cook? How you get good cooking? By burning a lot of rice, but eventually you're going to learn how to cook. The more you practice, it becomes easier. Same thing with the numbers. Francis, thank you. This is what I try to tell people. So the reason why I'm giving those examples is not fake examples. It's the truth. Anything you do daily, it becomes easier. Anything in life. So how it becomes easier is by what? Getting involved. Getting involved. It's not going to get easy if you're not getting involved. How you expect to learn it? I don't know, Lotto King. I do it 10 minutes a day. I don't know why I'm not learning it. You answer your own question. You answer your own question. That's the reason why you're not learning it. Yes. So even for today, look, for New York, the last number that came out of New York in the daytime, look, I'm going to do New York here. So I just try to show people, so just think about what I just said. I don't come on this live to put no one down. I try to come on this live to open people's eyes because some people are stuck doing this for so many years and they think they're doing it the right way. No, I was the same way. I thought playing license plates, birthdays, I thought that was the correct way. No, that's not the correct way. I'm sorry to tell you, it's not. Yes, I'm not going to be a hypocrite and say, no, I always knew this. No, I was the same way. I used to play my locker room number, and I thought that was the right way. No, it's not the right way. Now I know this is not the right way. Yes, there's techniques, there's strategies on doing this. And I can show you. This is from me staying up to 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, practicing. That's how I got good with this. Practicing. Yes. So look, New York yesterday had 132. At night, what they gave us at night? The 195. So what is this number here? What does this number add up to? Look. And yesterday, look at yesterday's date was 12/29. So look, 12/29 is what? 41. So yesterday was the 1 or the 6. What does that number add up to? There you go. That's the 6. What does this number add up to? Yes. I'd rather be straight up to you. This is what I tell people. What do you want me to be? Straight up? Or you want me just to mislead you and just tell you whatever? I'd rather tell you straight up because that's how you're going to learn it. Yes, because if you learn it, you're happy, you're going to tell other people about me. That's what I do. That's my game plan, is to teach you how to do this. You're happy, you're going to tell other people about me. That's how I grow. You're happy and I'm happy. Yes, that's the way the cookie crumbles, guys. So look at it. This number here is the 5. In the nighttime, in the daytime was the 6, 1, 3, 2. So now, how are you going to do it for today, New York? Look. So this number here is what? What does this number add up to? What does number adds up to? 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15. 1 plus 5 is what? One plus 5 is what? 6, no? 1 plus, there you go, is the 6. So now look, for today, I'm going to just show you here quick. Look, I'm going to write it out here, and you're going to see it today. Look, you're going to use that same 95 for the grid for today, and I'm going to show you. Simple. I'm going to just show you how you do it. Look, so you're going to go 0, 1, then you're going to go 6, 7. Then don't forget, you're doing 2 columns of 3. Simple. I'm going to show you. Look. So you got to go 5, 6, and 7. The 7 is the 2. Remember that. The mirror to the 2 is the 7. So you're going 2, 3, and 4. So what is that? 8, 9, and 0. What was the day number yesterday? This is for New York. I'm going to show everybody here in New York. So I want you to see it. It becomes easy. I do this every day. That's why it's so easy to me. It's going to be easy for you too. If you do it, and I guarantee you, if you let me teach you on that one-on-one, I guarantee you, you're going to be doing this with your eyes closed when you're doing it. Yes. This is what I tell people. This is what I tell people. Why not listen? You learn it. You ain't going to need me no more. Why not learn it? You can have this in your back pocket. You could go state to state doing this. You got the technique. You could teach other people how to do this. So people just don't see the big picture in this. Yes. So look at it. So the number that came out yesterday was the 231. So look, I'm gonna circle it for you so you can see it. Look, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now look at the numbers. What was the day number? 1, 2, 3. What was the night number? Let's follow it. Let's do it together. What was the night number? I want to just show you it. What was the night number? Let's do it together. Let's make this money. What was the night number for New York? I wrote it there. So what's the mirror to 195? Yes. What's the mirror to 195? There you go. You on point. You on point. Whoever says 604, you on point. Is the 604 attached to the 123? Is that 604 attached or is not attached? Look at it. Is that 604, that's the 195, attached to the 123? Look at it. I know you see it. So now look, if yesterday was the 6, today is what? If yesterday was the 6, today is what? There you go. There you go. Simple as that. So the hit sum for today is what? 1, 2, 6, 7. That is the hit sum for today. So what you going to do? What numbers are you looking for? What numbers are you looking for by the numbers that are coming out in New York? What numbers, what pattern are they given in New York? Are you backtracking your steps and looking at the results in the daytime, not the nighttime? You're trying to play the daytime. So you're going to take 5 steps back and look at the results and see what they're giving you. If they're giving you oxtails while you're playing pizza, you're playing what they're giving you. If they're giving you oxtails, you're going to play oxtails. You're not going to play pizza and they're giving you oxtails. You play what they're giving you. Yes, that's how you do it. Just remember, just by looking at the results, you're going to get the next winning number. Guarantee you. Remember, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of it, and I'm telling you what you need to do. Yes, the root sum, the location of the number, and the results. Those are the 3 steps you need to learn. Yes, run them oxtails. Because if they're giving you oxtails, if you and me know they're giving oxtails, why are you playing cheeseburgers? Ask yourself. I don't know. I choose to play cheeseburger. You don't know what you're doing. You got to play what they're giving you. It's a pattern. This is the way it is, guys. This is the way, yes. It's patterns. Patterns is called. So you're not going to play what you want. You play what they are giving you. That's how it goes. That's the way it goes. If you learn that, you're going to do fine doing this. You always tell yourself, I'm not going to play what I want. I'm going to play what they are giving. Does everybody get it? What I'm saying to you? You play what they're giving you. Don't try to create don't try to create anything new. You play along what they're giving you. Play along. Play along the same ride they're giving you. Don't try to change anything. Yes, this is what you got to tell yourself. If you learn that, you're going to see the outcome for today. You're going to see the outcome. Remember what I told you. The only way you're not going to see the winning number in this grid is a double number. So when they throw the double or triple, that's when they reset the pattern. So always remember that. Always remember that. You got to know these tricks by looking at the results. How often they're using that rule sum. This number changes every day. This number changes every day. So you got to know how often they're using it in your state. How can you tell? By looking at the results. Yes. So it's that simple, guys. I want everybody to invest in themselves. That's what I tell everybody. And I'm going to tell everybody one more time. Whoever's on this live, you feel you want to take it to the next step? Invest in yourself. Book that one-on-one. I'll teach you the correct way, and I will reveal the secrets where? On the live. I'll show you how this is done. Book me. Let's make it happen. Email me. Simple as that. I'm available Friday, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Email me. Everything else is booked already. Simple as that, guys. Don't make it complicated. And if you want the weekly grid, yes, it starts Saturday. Email me. Let's make it happen. I'll give you the weekly grid. I guarantee you that grid that I'm going to give you for your state is going to give you 95% of the winners are going to be touching the corner pairs. Yes. Ask yourself. Do I really want to learn this? Or I'm going to bring in 2026 the same way? It's up to you. It's up to you, pal. That's all I can tell you. I can't force nobody to do anything. I'm just trying to show you. It's not that I just started doing this today. I've been doing this for years. I've been teaching this for years. And if this wasn't working, nobody won't book me. Nobody won't book me. People book me every day because they know this is working. Yes. Definite. So everybody, enjoy your evening. Yes, Happy New Year to everybody. Just in case I don't come on the live tomorrow. Happy New Year. I'm hoping everybody makes some changes. We're going into the new year. You don't want to start the new year with the same old mistakes you were making doing this on 2025. Start the new year with something new. Get a new notebook. Get a new marker. Pay attention what they're giving you in your state. Start the new year with that. Invest in yourself. That's the only thing that I can tell you. Start the new year correct. With the Lotto King, I'm going to teach you. Yes. Listen, straight up, if you feel that you doubt what I'm telling you, it's like buying a new car. When you buy that new car, what you do? You want to make sure the reviews are good on that car. I'm spending $50,000 on this car. I want to see the reviews on this car. People saying good things about this car. Look at the reviews about me. Go on TikTok, go on Instagram, go on every platform and read the reviews. The Lotto King is not going to come here today and just disappear. I've been doing this for years. This is what I do. I talk numbers in the day and I go to sleep talking numbers. Yes. Straight up. This is not like, oh, I just saw this guy. He's going to disappear for the next year. No, this is what I do every day. This is what I do. You're good maybe driving trucks. You may be good at doing this. I'm good with numbers. This is what I do. Everybody has a gift. Find that gift. You never know. You might be good at this, but you never gave yourself a chance to learn it. Yes. Have a blessed new year to everybody. Yes, everybody. Happy holidays. I see you guys in 2026. The Lotto King. A lot of changes, guys. Let's do it. Winner, winner, chicken, dinner. This is Numbers with Dave, the Lotto King. And I'm out. Have a happy new year, guys. Mad love. Blessings to everybody. Always remember, say hello to your neighbor. Always do the right thing. And I'm out, guys.